Right, we're currently sat in the hotel. Sorry I couldn't film much on the plane, my camera was really struggling on the plane, but managed to get a few bits and bobs, managed to show you the menu, what the EasyJet flights are about. All of them very similar in Europe. A budget airline, I wouldn't say a budget service, but you get a trolley that comes round with food and drink, then they come round and then deliver things like cosmetics like you do on all of the flights. There's toilets available, you get seats, you have to pay a little bit extra to have your seats, otherwise you can just not book seats, then they'll allocate you a seat but you don't guarantee sitting together. You can pay money, not too much I don't think for the hold luggage cases either. You get to take hand luggage on board with you, you're allowed the standard size of hand luggage with no weight limit, which I thought was fairly decent of EasyJet. A lot of the other budget airlines don't do that. So all in all, a big thumbs up from me for EasyJet. I'd say, in my opinion, it's one of the best budget airlines that there is available in Europe. A full recommendation from there. The food and price, it's a little bit expensive for the food and drink on board, but in terms of booking seats for the plane, again standard price, you don't have to pay, I'd say a few pound, what, £3-4 going there and going back. Also through actual booking of the plane, I seem to remember for 2 return tickets from Manchester in the UK to Krakow in Poland cost £170, which isn't a bad price, which works out at, if my maths is right, £85 each. It's a high up on my recommendation for you. Well worth it if you want to travel cheap around Europe, be able to get to places that you don't normally get to, and I'd say EasyJet's one of the best for just booking a plane ticket and being able to fly somewhere and going on a holiday, because why not? So yeah, I'd say EasyJet, one of the best budget airlines. Leg room's decent. It didn't look like it was decent, but you got enough room to be able to manoeuvre your legs. Some of the other airlines, don't want to name names, but some of them you can't really manoeuvre. It's a little bit difficult. It's a little bit difficult to be able to walk up and down, and things feel dead basic, whereas with EasyJet things are basic, but they don't feel as though that they are, if you know what I mean from there. There's other air carriers out there that charge more, that will have a better service for you. If you're willing to pay that, then do so. There's other, but EasyJet, they tend to fly to most places in Europe, and to me, one of my favourite airlines to use when wanting to travel cheap, which is always what we're looking for when you're wanting to fly to as many places as what I'd like to fly to. So there we go, that's been the review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget, leave a big thumbs up, don't forget leaving your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming from Poland, from Krakow, and more travel videos too. So I'll see you there for that. See you later, guys.